I'm Emily Wilkins here at the Advanced Manufacturing Expo with the amazing Sami Birch from Mission Design and Automation. We are hanging out at the Marketing Metal Creator Space here, and Sami, you have just been skyrocketing in the last year. Tell us, what do you think was your takeoff moment? Or liftoff, should I say?
That's a big question. I feel like meeting you was really amazing. Meeting so many people at the Manufacturing Champs Retreat was really inspiring for me. I've been in marketing for quite a while and in different sales functions, but getting out of my own way with imposter syndrome, I still struggle with it all the time, but just getting a little more confidence. It's been so helpful to talk to people like you and Megan and Nikki and Allie from Automation Ladies to just everyone feels these ways, and by ways I mean like just nervous to like put yourself out there, and I feel like just that was a really good learning experience for me that I wasn't alone in it, and so just getting out of my own way and making an effort and then getting to know people a little more. So
I mean, you're 100% right. We all struggle with this. Like, even the manufacturing millennial has imposter syndrome, right?
So even with, Dan who just stopped by, or there's just been so many people in my career path that like have set a good pathway and helped me build on confidence and conversations, people that I work with customers all the time and are used to navigating like uncertainty, and I've learned a lot from them. And Ryan Lillibridge, of course.
Yeah.
Huge mentor of mine and somebody who's really like believes in me, and so it's been awesome having him in my corner.
Yeah, it's so important to have those people who believe in us when we don't always believe in ourselves.
So it's been a really amazing year, and I'm excited to see what the future holds.
Yeah, well, speaking of, you have a lot of cool things coming up. Do you have any moonshot goals that are like if that happens, you can die happy because you've done it?
That's a really big question. So I head up marketing at Mission Design and Automation, and most of my goals are mission related, not exactly like personal branding related. And so over the last few years, we've really grown a lot. We've been able to have a marketing department and been able to get into trade show and stuff. So in the next couple of years, I'd like to get into some bigger shows like exhibiting at Automate. We did IMTS last year. We plan to do that again in 2024. So just some of these bigger goals that I have from a marketing standpoint, and then getting more comfortable doing speaking engagements. I guess I can't say one in particular, but just getting a little more comfortable listening to the sound in my own voice.
I know.
And
it's the worst sound to all of us.
Trusting that I've got a lot of good things to say, and
you do.
I think getting comfortable sharing them is a goal of mine.
Yeah, for sure. Well, in all of your fame and glory, what is it that keeps you grounded?
My family's amazing. I've got a daughter and my husband. They're wonderful. They keep me in check and also keep our schedule in check. And then I go to yoga. As you know, Emily joined me for yoga once, which was amazing. So I just try to keep, it's hard when you're juggling so many things, but, taking some time for yourself to like, wait, everything doesn't have to happen at once. Slow down to speed up. So, What about you?
Yoga, definitely.
Yeah.
My journal. I don't know where I would be without my journal. I think I would be in trouble.
I, on your recommendation, got a bullet journal. Yeah.
You started?
A little. I'm like...
It's a muscle. You have to exercise it.
Yes. I carry it everywhere.
Okay, you're on your way. People make fun of me. My husband, in particular, makes fun of me because I take it with me wherever I go.
That's goals. That's a moonshot goal, is like having every week planned out, and like today is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have like my X, my filled in circle, my line, and like everything signified.
Yeah, it's still a goal.
And everybody who knows me knows that organization is not my strongest skill, and so Yeah,
Same.
like, yeah, organizing a journal. But that's one of those things. It's like take the time to do the things that will help you.
Yep.
And, you know, it's always something we work towards.
Just like yoga, it's a practice.
Yes.
It's a practice.
Yeah.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Well, namaste, my lady. Thank you so much for sitting here with me.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me. As always, I mean, you're amazing.
You're amazing as well.